Today, hundreds of villagers in northwest Pakistan gathered to bury the victims of what appears to be the latest attack targeting anti-polio efforts in the country.
Villagers mourned the deaths of 6 female aid workers and 1 male doctor who were gunned down yesterday by militants. The 7 had worked at a community center in a town called Swabi that included a primary school and a medical clinic that vaccinated children against polio. Some militants oppose the vaccinating campaigns, accusing health workers of acting as U.S. spies. They also allege the vaccine is intended to make Muslim children sterile. On Tuesday, the group was on their way home from the NGO-owned community center where they worked when their vehicle was attacked. 4 militants on motorcycles spared the young son of one of the women who was riding in the van, but the rest were shot. The driver survived and is being treated at a Peshawar hospital. There has been no claim of responsibility and police have not made any arrests. Last month, 9 people working on an anti-polio campaign were shot and killed in a series of attacks. In light of the recent attacks, police will be giving extra protection to polio health workers in Peshawar and other high-risk areas.